I'm Tim Dyce. I'm from Melbourne in Australia. I work for the EPP group in Melbourne doing the Atlas site administration. So we're a partner within the WLCG, and of course we're a part of EGI Inspire as well as an extension of that. We're interested in making sure that our physics users can get everything they need from the site, but also trying to make sure that other Australian users get a chance to use Grid. Australia is one of the most geographically isolated sites in the world, so it's quite a challenge to make a site work that far away from Europe, but it's also very valuable for researchers to be able to get access to resources and information and to collaborate across a really, really distant geographic boundary. I started in physics and discovered that I was not too good at that, but I was good on the computing side of things, so I ended up supporting the physics that I'm fascinated in the computing side that I'm good at, basically. So I work with the physicists to help them do what I'm not really good enough to do.
My name's Tom Fifield and I work for the University of Melbourne in Melbourne, Australia. My official job title is High Energy Physics Grid Research Programmer, but like most job titles, that explains nothing about what I actually do. I dabble in a whole lot of different distributed computing style things, mostly around high energy physics, but I start from the hardware and go all the way through to hacking in an extra option for a grid submission tool or something like that, and everything in between. It's a little bit random. So Australia's just signed on as a partner with EGI Inspire. Of course, in Melbourne we run a Tier 2 for the Atlas experiment. And I'm also involved in the design of the computing model for the Bell 2 experiment based out of Japan. So coming to EGI Technical Forum is a good place to meet people and find out what's going on with EGI.